I hope you all are well and doing well. So today we are about to study uh, intersection of two sets. But before that, I want to rememberize you. I want to ask you a question about our previous lesson, which was union. Okay. So here I have wrote an example. I have written three examples, but for you I am asking about this one, example number 3. Okay, here we have x is equal to 1357 and y is equal to null set. So if we find x using y, what will be the answer of this? I have told you now that it is called null set or empty set. So जो सेट खाली होता है जिसमें कोई मेंबर है, दिस सेट द सेट have no members is called null set. Okay, so in this way we have the answer of this x union y is equal to 1357 because the set y has no member. So the members of x set are all members of x set are should be written in the answer. Okay, but intersection is completely opposite to it. Okay, in intersection actually I have made two diagrams for you. Okay, for making you understand betterly. So firstly, the meaning of intersection is intersection. This is the word inter, and this is the combination of two words, inter and section. Section means parts and inter means किसी भी चीज़ में एंटर हो जाना. Even if we are entering on a room, if we are entering in an office, so it is called entrance. Okay, so intersection means that in mathematics intersection means that if I make two lines, this is a geometrical point of view, and I have used geometrical point of views for making you understand. Okay, so in this diagram you can see there are two lines which are crossing each other. So at this point, this point is called intersection. Then the very midpoint, the main midpoint is called intersection. Why? What is let me make understand you, because at this point the both lines are intersecting each other. What did I say? At this point, at center point, the both lines are intersecting each other. The both lines are crossing each other, and that's why this point is called intersection. Come to the let's move to the second diagram. In this diagram, there are two circles which are intersecting each other at 2 points. Okay, at this mid, and if I write numbers in these circles, so the members which are coming which are in this part is called intersection, are called the common members of these circles. I repeat, if I write numbers in these two circles, and I say these numbers are in also in this part. So the numbers which are within this part, they will be the common numbers of the both circles. Okay, like this, exactly like this. Intersection works in the chapter of sets. On the books, page number 8, we have an example of number 1 regarding to a point. If A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 10 and B is equal to 2, 3, 8, 10, then find A intersection B. The symbol of intersection is this one. It is opposite to intersection. What was the, who will tell me what was the sign, the symbol of union? Please set down your answer in the comment box. So the open side of the symbol of union is upward, but the open side of the symbol of intersection is downward. Okay, can you get my point? The open side of the symbol of union is upward, but in this question, in this concept of intersection, the open side of symbol of intersection is downward. Okay, so why is it? The reason behind that is because intersection is totally opposite to the union. The method of solving intersection is also opposite to the union. How? Let me make understand you more categorically. We have to find A intersection B. Okay, I wrote the solution and A intersection B, symbol of intersection. I have जैसे हम पहले यूज़ करते हैं वैसे ही मैंने ए सेट लिखा, इंटरसेक्शन डाला और बी सेट लिख दिया. ओके, फिर मैंने क्या किया, ये पेंसिल से मैंने इनको सर्कल किया जो भी कॉमन नंबर्स है. ठीक है, ये काम आपने पेंसिल से करना है. रिमेंबर you use pencil during circling the common numbers because it's not necessary. अगर हमने ये करने के बाद, आंसर निकालने के बाद इसको मिटा भी देना है. ठीक है, इन सर्कल्स को मिटा देना, नंबर्स नहीं मिटाना. ठीक है, सर्कल्स को मिटा देना है आंसर निकालने के बाद. ठीक है, हमने कॉमन नंबर निकाल लिया. एंड हियर वी हैव द कॉमन नंबर्स ऑफ 2, 3 and 10. okay, so 2, 3 and 10 is the answer. This one is answer. Okay, I hope you can get easily and effortlessly. So let's move on to the next exercise questions. Okay, I will solve just 2 or 3 questions for you, but you will solve the whole but you will solve your task, which I will give you at the end of this video or in description. Okay, so I have solved question 3, which is P is equal to A, B, C and D. P is equal to A, B, C and D, and Q is equal to A, E, I, O, U. If you are confronting problem, if this picture is not so sorry, that's why I am repeating. What it is written, what has it been written. Okay, so P intersection Q is equal to A, B, C, D intersection A, E, I, O, U, which was Q set. Okay, so what are the common members of in this is right here on this please tell me in the comment box what is the common member of this. So this is the answer. And okay, when this I have made the symbols of the null set. Okay, so I have told you the main point is when these symbol null set will be the answer, यानी कि इंटरसेक्शन के क्वेश्चन में कब null set आंसर आएगा. ठीक है, इसकी दो सूरतें हैं. देयर आर टू reasons behind that. The reason number one is I would like to make you understand by the example of your book. And in on the page number 8 of your book there is example number 2, which if C is equal to A, B, E, F and D is equal to 2, 4, 8, 10. So what are the common members of the both sets? We have to find C intersection D. Okay, so firstly I have written in this way. You all are familiar with this. And then our answer is this one. Null set is our answer. This is also called null set. This is the second form of to write null set. Okay, to show that. And this is the second form of to show the null set. Okay, symbol. So why null set is the answer? Because there is no member common in both sets C and D. Okay, got it. The reason number 2 is when null set will be the answer. Its reason number 2 is I have wrote example by teacher. Example by teacher means that this example is not in your book, but I have made but I have used my mind and I have for making understanding better. So if A is equal to ABC and B is equal to null set, if A is equal to ABC and B is equal to null set, then find A intersection B. Okay, so I have solved A intersection B, ABC intersection null set. Here null set is also here null set is the answer as well. Why? Let me make understand you. बिकॉज यहाँ तो आ गया ABC. ठीक है, ये हो गया null set. अब कॉमन क्या है इन दोनों में? कॉमन क्या है? इसमें तो कोई नंबर ही नहीं है. ठीक है, तो null set तो ब्रैकेट्स कॉमन हुई ना. ब्रैकेट तो इसमें भी है और इसमें भी है. ठीक है, तो null set कॉमन हुआ, यानी कि कुछ तो कॉमन हुआ ना. ब्रैकेट्स तो कॉमन हुए तो वो लगा देंगे. ठीक है, तो ब्रैकेट को क्या कहा, शो इससे भी कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, अगर ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप ब्रैकेट से लगाएं, आपने बताना है बस कि null set आंसर है. अब शो इससे भी कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, अब बुक में आंसर पीछे देख लीजिएगा. आपकी बुक में आंसर बिल्कुल ठीक दिए हैं. थैंक यू ऑल. अल्लाह निगहबान.